Those dogs are very happy to see you. Did you hear them outside of your office?
Yeah.
I had to get them into our bedroom. Juniper was rolling out in front of your office, and then Cooper was trying to play with her, but she was just rolling. Oh, bless you, my goodness. No. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back, or to my channel. You just gotta hang out there the whole time? Okay, that's fine. This video should be Vlogmas day number 9, and we do have a fairly busy day today, but it's also gonna be a day focused on getting back into a routine, settling back in at home. If you have been keeping up with my videos, you will know that I just got back from a trip to Vancouver for the Eras tour. We went to night 2. It was absolutely incredible. It was by far the best concert that I've ever been to. Not only was the concert and the performance incredible, but I have never been at an event that made such a huge impact, not only on the people at the concert and in the stadium, but in the entire city. I have never felt Vancouver like that. It was just literally phenomenal. I really want to do a little sit down debrief with you guys later on today, but right now I just have a couple of things that I need to do. We are moving into my auntie's house later today because they are going on vacation, and so we are house, dog, and cat sitting for them. But before we do that, I really want to reset our house so that when we come home, it is nice. I didn't get the chance to reset before I left just because things were so hectic. So I'm gonna take today to do some laundry, change up our bed sheets, clean up, do all the things that I have been procrastinating on and have been pushing off to the side because of how busy this weekend was gonna be. So yeah, I think the first thing is finish off my pre and probiotic so that my gut health can kind of reset after this weekend, and then do some laundry and so on and so on. I also need a couple of minutes to wake up. I'm still feeling so tired and exhausted. I'm actually really excited to reset our house. We've been so busy, and I feel like especially with Christmas, there's just been so many packages and things that haven't been dealt with, so I'm looking forward to it. Shots, 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 shots. Coming from somebody that doesn't drink. All right, should we do it? Should we do it? Shall we get going? Hey, time to do some laundry. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Laundry, 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 laundry. Very gentle. Gentle. You wanna come around here and have an apple? Oh, you don't like apples? Guys. Come on, oops. I desperately need this food. As you can see, it is now 5:15 and I am feeling a little bit like a chicken with my head cut off. You know that skit where Crystalia talks about the girls who say they've literally been running around all day? That's how I feel, and I haven't even left my house. While we were gone for the weekend, I basically didn't spend any time working, so I had a lot to catch up on today. Not only that, but like I already mentioned, we are moving out of our house today to go dog, house, and cat sit for my auntie for the next 10 days. But I had a lot of things that I needed to wrap up here, and I'm still not done. I've done 2 loads of laundry, and there are still 2 more to go. I just filmed a a short form reel for a collaboration. And now I'm about to shoot a little bit of content in my Eras Tour outfit. I wasn't able to bring my camera with me to the concert, and I was also juggling with the fact of wanting to make sure that I'm documenting the concert, but also enjoying the moment and being present with my girls, that I didn't really get any getting ready footage at all. We also didn't have any time or proper daylight to take photos once we were all dressed up. We did try to take some photos in the stadium, but honestly, with the crowds and the lighting, it just did not work out. So I am now going to shoot a little bit of content because I did not get this Eras Tour outfit to not have some photos in it, okay? I got my first pair of cowboy boots, and this needs to be documented. Obviously, as you saw, I cut myself an apple. We are gonna head over to my auntie's very shortly, and she said that there are leftovers for us, bless her. So there's no point in taking the time to cook a big meal right now. I'm gonna have a couple slices of these just to keep my blood sugar levels there. I'm also gonna give Quinn some because he has been working nonstop in his office today as well. We've both just been on the grind. I'm obviously going to shoot a couple of photos, and then we're gonna pack and then head over to our new home for the next 9 days. However, before I do that, I really badly want to show you this OOTD. Please ignore the two pups just being absolute creeps right now, but this beautiful pink bubble dress is from Princess Polly. Then this jean jacket, more like a shacket, is from Billy J Boutique. It's an Australian boutique. And then these amazing cowboy boots are from Steve Madden. And then my clip-in extensions that I have been absolutely obsessed with are from Reputation Hair Extensions. I will link all of the details down below. I'm usually not a pink gal at all, but I actually am in love with this little pink dress. I really need another excuse to wear this entire outfit. I think the puppies like this outfit as well. Do you like this outfit, Coops? Do you like this outfit, hey Coopy? Oh my goodness, that is a happy tale. Anyway, I'm gonna try my best to get some photos. Wish me luck.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card, you don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it.
Well, we've made it to our humble abode, our home for the next 10 days. First order of business, get the dog some food. Second order of business, get ourselves some food. Both of us have only had breakfast today and then half of an apple. And I am feeling it. It is 7:15, almost 7:30. Because we literally live about a 30-second drive from my auntie's house, tonight we decided not to pack all of our stuff and rather just get the essentials that we're gonna need every day. So I packed Cooper's dog food, I packed all of our daily supplements, and then just an overnight bag. I honestly just did not have the brain capacity to think about absolutely everything that I'm gonna need for the next 10 days, especially because in that time span, I have brand deals, I have activewear to film, I have so much to think about. I need sleeping attire, dog walking attire, workout attire, filming attire, loungewear attire, etc., etc., etc. And again, I just did not want to deal with that tonight, okay? I also didn't finish my laundry. I did 3 loads, I have 1 load left, but everything has been dried. So one of these days, I'm just gonna go back and then take care of that as I kind of please. Again, today was just a really big day for us to kind of settle back in, catch up on everything that we kind of fell back on during the weekend. And yeah, now we get to be home owners for the next 10 days, which is really exciting. We obviously love our home that we rent, but we live in a 3-story townhouse. So we are attached to people. We don't have a private yard. My auntie's home has so much space. This beautiful, fully stocked kitchen, the gym downstairs, which is where I film. So we are honestly stoked for a little change of scenery, and yeah, we're gonna just live it up. But again, I just can't even think right now. Let's do dog food and then let's do our food.
If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain.
I'll trade you if you want.
What is spicy?
Is it?
Yeah.
Like really?
I just licked my finger a little bit and it felt zingy, so for sure. Shoot.
Oh shit, yeah.
You were trying to give me death.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I figured. Because it's like...
Oh, okay. Do you need to trade more?
Probably. No. It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
This looks good.
This isn't. You guys still troubleshooting stuff? Ready?
Here we go.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. We have about 15 minutes before Quinn's next meeting. So we chucked together some leftovers, absolutely delicious. And yeah, that brings this day to an end. After this, Quinn has his meeting, obviously. I'm gonna do a little bit more work. I got most of everything done today, which is nice. And yeah, we're gonna have to do some trips back and forth tomorrow just to grab more of our stuff. But I think that that brings another vlog to a close. That is vlog day number 9.
Nice work.
9 more days than I thought that I would be able to do.
Me too. Maybe 7 more days.
As always, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Well, I'll see you guys all tomorrow.